Hello and welcome to a new video on the HKCM global channel. My name is Philip. Today I'm going to take another look at the Bitcoin developments. Bitcoin's been struggling in the last weeks in order to get a upward move going, get a counter move going after the sell-off action that has occurred after the all-time highs above $100,000. So currently the question remains, how will this continue? Will it continue directly to the downside, or can it recover at least for shorter term period of time here? Because in my last videos I stated in those that we are expecting a larger sell-off to occur and that we are just in a intermediate recovery phase at the moment at its best, depending on how things play out. Now, so let's take a look at the short-term chart. I'm expecting the market to be able to hold the lows respectively, not going directly to my long target zone around 62 to 51,000, as long as we are able to hold the price above $73,000 here. If we break that level, then I'm expecting the market to directly continue its downside action, reach the area of 62 to 51,000 approximately before a larger recovery will take place, and then further downside action is to be expected in the next weeks and months as well. So currently I'm not completely convinced that wave A here in green has been completed yet. I'm at least I want to see a break of the previous high here around 94,000 in order to be confident that we are making our way towards this short target zone here between 109 and 117. From there I will short the market. I will also cash in on some of my spot positions here probably, or I will just hedge them depending on how things are going. Certainly the next chance for an entry to the market is on the short side for me right now in this area here, should we be able to take out this high and the previous high here as well. Otherwise, if downside action continues and it continues below 73, currently I'm ranking that option at a 40% probability. I'm seeing the market directly hit 62 to 51. Would be a nice chance then to take up some longs, at least for short to intermediate time frame, because I'm only expecting this to be a B wave as well, meaning new all-time highs are possibly, but it's not that I'm expecting that upward trend to continue to whatever has been indicated by some column experts, that we are directly going to 200,000 plus. I'm not seeing this at the moment. I'm still clearly expecting that the market, no matter what the short-term outcome will be now, that we have topped out, and that within, let's say, the next 6 to 12 months, I'm expecting the market to go below $40,000, ideally reach around 37 for an ideal target for wave 2, and from there then continue its upward trend. And then I'm also in the camp expecting $200,000 plus, but not at the moment. The recent happenings have not changed anything on my perspective. The market is still struggling to gain momentum to the upside. Also this current move, as mentioned, as long as we're holding 73,512, it's all good. But should we see a drop back down here, new lows, and taking out these levels, then I have to be very, very concerned, and I'm expecting the market to drop faster than I was anticipating, reaching that 62, 51,000 area in a direct targeted move. So let's also look at the indicators, how things are playing out overall. We have been extremely oversold on the daily. Now the MACD has turned up, the RSI is turning up. We are gaining a little positive momentum here, but we are still on the long-short indicator. We're still on the short signal at the moment, and we can also see that the market is not really gaining any traction. There's no momentum to the upside being generated, even though the market has been oversold to those extremes on the daily. For me, this is coming from the fact that we, on the longer time frames, for example here on the 2-week, we've seen the MACD cross down. We are losing positive momentum. RSI is coming down. We are clearly signaling short on these charts, so we have a clear short signal, we have a clear sell signal. The monthly is developing towards a sell signal as well. The second consecutive month we are losing the positive momentum. MACD is starting to turn down as well. Long-short indicator is closing in. If we look at the, for example, the weekly time frame, things have already gone further down the road in terms of development of the short signal. MACD clearly turned down, RSI is coming down. We are building up a negative momentum. We are on the short signal on my long short indicator, so everything here points to a continued corrective move, yeah, which is clearly what I'm expecting, no matter what is happening here in the short term. Even if we are coming up now to this 109, 117 area here that I outlined, this is not changing anything on my perspective that we have probably topped out for now, and that we are in an extended corrective phase, which will last at least 6 to 12 months probably, because this counter move here, if it's coming in the B wave, that will take time as well to unfold, etc., etc. So we are in this for probably quite some time, and it also reflects the developments we are seeing with other risk-on assets. For example, the Nasdaq and tech stocks are also clearly, many of them started larger corrections. This is perfectly healthy for me. This is perfectly healthy on the Bitcoin for me at the moment. I'm not scared or anything, and if we are presented with prices below 40,000, this is going to be a huge opportunity for many who have missed out getting in there when we were below 20,000, because we are expecting the market to go up 5x, 6x afterwards. So 200,000, 240,000 are definitely in the books here for Bitcoin after we completed this corrective move. Until then, there will be short opportunities coming up. There might also be, as I've shown, between 62 and 51, we are also going to be presented with a short-term long opportunity as well. So basically, overall, concluding here, I'm expecting the next 6 to 12 months to probably shift more towards a trading environment, being more attractive than holding, just hodling the coins, because there will be probably a lot of volatility happening here. Yeah. So as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, highly appreciate it, and see you next time.